Hello students, how are you all? Now today we are going to solve question number 12. It says like this. P and Q are partners in a firm with a capital of 3 lakh and 2 lakh. P gave a loan of rupees 1,50,000 to the firm. The profit of the firm before allowing interest on loan amounted to 75,000. We have written profit there. For the year ending 31st March 2020, show the distribution of profit after considering the following. Interest on capital at the rate 5% per annum. Interest on drawing is charged at the rate 6% per annum. Drawings of P and Q during the year was 50,000 and 40,000 respectively. Now, see students, the date of drawing is not mentioned. Rate will be charged half yearly. P is allowed commission 1% on sales of rupees 3 lakh. Q is entitled to a commission of 5% of net profit. After charging commission of P and his own, Q will get commission of 5% of net profit. But after charging commission of P and his own commission means after formula. The same which we used to do in class 11. हम लोग जो class 11 में करते थे वही चीज है students. After यानी rate divided by 100 plus rate. Okay students, 10% of divisible profit be transferred to reserve account. 10% of the divisible profit will be transferred to the reserve. Now let's start our question. By profit and loss account, net profit is 75,000. Interest on P's loan. See, I have written here. P has given a loan of 1,50,000. P ने 1,50,000 का लोन दिया है. It is a charge against profit. इसलिए हम लोग पहले ही उसको डिडक्ट कर रहे हैं. We are deducting it here on the right hand side. Now, I have told you if there is no rate of interest, we will charge 6%. So 1,50,000 into 6 by 100, it will come to 9,000. We will deduct 75,000 minus 9,000. Net profit will come to 66,000. Okay, students? Now, interest on drawing. See, P's drawing is 50,000 and Q's drawing is 40,000. 6% is the rate. 50,000 into 6 by 100, 40,000 into 6 by 100. Into 6 by 12 into 6 by 12, which signifies half yearly because date of drawing is not mentioned. 6 by 12, 6 by 12. The answer will come 1,500 and 1,200. Always remember this thing. अगर date of drawings नहीं दी है, rate will become half या half yearly आप charge करेंगे उसे. It will come to 1,500, 1,200, 2,700 students. Now, interest on capital. Partner capital is 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Rate of interest on capital is 5% in the question. So 3 lakh into 5 by 100 will be 15,000 and 2 lakh into 5 by 100 will come to 10,000. Will come to 25,000 students. Now, P's commission. P is getting a commission of 1% on sales. Sales is 3 lakh. Now see, 3 lakh into 1 by 100 will come to 3,000 students. After this, Q's commission. See here, Q's commission. Let's see what is written in the question D point. Q is entitled to a commission of 5%. Q को 5% commission मिलना है on net profit after charging commission of P and his own. After charging commission of P, net profit is 66,000 and P's commission is 3,000. 66,000 minus 3,000, you will get 63,000. हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में जो लास्ट टाइम पे हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था, सेम यही इक्वेशन थी, बट हम लोग डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट कर रहे थे. वी वर कैलकुलेटिंग इज डायरेक्टली लाइक 63,000 into 5 by 100. मगर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है क्लियरली, इट इज बीइंग मेंशन्ड हियर आफ्टर चार्जिंग हिज ओन कमीशन. Q is entitled, but after charging his own commission means this signifies after formula. Same manager commission thing class 11. Manager commission charging after or before. Okay students, so 63,000 into 5 divided by 105. Rate divided by 100 plus rate. Rate is 5%, so 100 plus 5 will become 105. 63,000 into 5 by 105. Answer will come 3,000. Okay students, the commission of PQ will be 3,000. Clear to all of you? Now, reserves. What is written here? 10% of divisible profit be transferred to reserve account. Divisible profit का 10% आप रिजर्व में ट्रांसफर करिए. Divisible profit जिन बच्चों को याद नहीं है उनको एक बार फिर से बता दे रहा हूँ. क्रेडिट साइड के टोटल में से डेबिट साइड का टोटल जब आप माइनस करते हैं यू गेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. सी हियर द क्रेडिट साइड टोटल. दिस इज रिजर्व. आई हैव शोन द वर्किंग हियर. Divisible profit credit side 66,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,200 or 2,700 in together, both same thing. It will come to 68,700. Debit side total 25,000, 3,000, 3,000. It will come to 31,000. Now when you are going to deduct it from the credit side, it will come 37,700. This is the divisible profit, 37,700. Understood students? 37,700 is the distributable profit. Now, reserve 37,700 into 10 by 100. 3,770 is the reserve. Okay, students? 3,770 is the reserve. You will write it down here. 3,770. Now, the profits which are going to be distributed among partners. To profit transfer to capital accounts P and Q. One thing to notice, no profit sharing ratio is given in the question students, and I have told you earlier, अगर कोई profit sharing ratio क्वेश्चन में मेंशन नहीं होता है, it will be distributed equally among partners. PSR इक्वल हो जाएगा. यहाँ दो पार्टनर है तो 1:1 यानी 1/2 1/2. अब देखिए प्रॉफिट्स निकालना कितना आसान हो गया आपके लिए. डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट तो यहाँ निकाल ही लिया था आपने, उसमें रिजर्व का अमाउंट आप डिडक्ट कर दीजिए. 37,700 माइनस 3,770. प्रॉफिट विल बी 33,930. 33,930. हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट? 1:1. P's share 33,930 into 1/2. You will get P's share 16,965. Write it down here. 16,965. Q's share 33,930 into 1/2. 16,965. Both same because they are getting distribution equally or distributed equally. Total 68,700. 68,700. Now see students, once again just take a quick recap. 37,700 is the distributable profit. Deduct reserve out of it, you will get the final distributable profit. This is the final distributable profit which is going to be distributed equally among partners. 16,965, 16,965. Again just take a quick recap of Q's commission. He is getting commission, but after deducting P's commission and his own commission, and his own commission means after formula rate divided by 100 plus rate. 63,000 into 5 divided by 105, it will come to 3,000. And interest on drawing, it will be charged half yearly because date of drawing is not mentioned in the question. Hope so this question is clear to all of you. In the next video lecture, we will see what is capital account and how many types are there. Thank you students.